Hey there, fellow investors. If you're on the lookout for the best investment options that can provide you with a steady monthly income in India, you've come to the right place. We all know that having a reliable monthly income is essential for financial stability, and today, I'm excited to share with you some fantastic investment opportunities that can generate a steady monthly income. So, let's dive right in and explore the top income plans. These options have been carefully selected based on their track record, potential returns, and overall reliability. First up, we have the Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, SCSS. It's a government-backed scheme designed specifically for senior citizens above the age of 60. With an annual interest rate of 8.2% and weekly payouts, SCSS offers a secure and attractive investment option. Next on our list is the Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, POMIS, another government-backed investment choice. With a current annual interest rate of 7.4% and monthly payouts, POMIS is a reliable option for risk-averse individuals seeking consistent regular income. For risk-averse investors, long-term government bonds can be a great low-risk choice. These bonds offer monthly interest payments or coupon payments set by the Indian government and have fixed maturity dates. If you're looking for higher interest rates and flexibility, corporate deposits from non-banking financial firms, NBFCs, and housing finance companies, HFCS, can be worth considering. However, it's important to research the financial health and reputation of the NBFCs before investing. Monthly income plans, MIPS, are mutual funds that primarily invest in fixed income instruments and a small percentage in equity and equity-related securities. MIPS provide regular income to investors, although the returns are not guaranteed. The Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana is a scheme specifically designed for senior citizens, offering a stable income with fixed interest rates. It comes with a policy term of 10 years and provides flexible annuity payouts on a monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or yearly basis. Life insurance plus saving policies are guaranteed income insurance plans that provide a predetermined monthly payout after the maturity period. These policies offer financial security for your family while ensuring a consistent monthly income. If you prefer a more flexible approach, systematic withdrawal plans, SWPS, allow you to withdraw a fixed amount from your investment at regular intervals. This option caters to different investor needs, whether you're seeking capital growth or regular income. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide both consistent income and long-term investment gains. However, it's important to note that equity investments come with a higher level of risk. Annuity plans offered by Indian insurance companies provide a steady income at a lower risk. You can invest a lump sum and receive regular income at specified intervals, making it a great option for retirement planning. Now that you're familiar with these top income plans, it's important to consider the state of the market, your needs as an investor, and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Each option has its own advantages and considerations, so evaluate them based on your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, taking control of your financial future starts with informed decision making. I hope you found this information valuable. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Stay confident, stay informed, and stay financially empowered. Until next time.